G'day everyone, it's Chris O. How you doing? I'm starting on another bathroom now. It's all going to be in blue and white. The bath stays. The shutters are going to look absolutely brilliant. They stay. The vanity stays. So with the bath staying and the vanity, this shower comes out. New fittings in the shower, and it's all going to be tiled floor to ceiling. In the toilet here, I go half height. In the toilet, I take out that toilet and a new one's going in. So it's going to be a lovely bathroom, another one to Chris's book of ventures. We'll see you soon. Bye.